This is video on the Z Flip4 4x zoom. So far it's a pretty good video. I believe it's 1080p. 1080p 30 frames per setting. I'm not sure yet, but if you can see carefully, it actually tries to refocus every time the light hits it. You see it? I just lost focus. Zoom down here and come back up and then get focus again. So it's been doing that a lot lately. Focus, focus. So it focus hunts a lot, big time. You can see it focusing. 4x zoom is pretty nice on here. If it would focus, there it goes, lost the focus again. Come on, there you go. My hand is steady. It's actually laying on this table, and it'll just focus hunt automatically. Got out of focus. So the cameras, man, I don't know. I really enjoy the flip action on the phone, but the cameras, man, just focus hunting is extremely bad on here. There it goes. Every time you try to capture it, an angle or something, you'll just lose focus. If I stay still, I'll lose focus anyway. So if you're trying to capture an image, moving it around, it's gonna lose focus. Yeah, man, the Z Flip. Come on, the Z Flip4. Focus hunting like crazy. I'm just gonna direct upload this to YouTube. And this is the video portion, and it's the 4x. If I back it out, this is the 0.5 time, the 1 time, and then that's the 2. When I get to the 4, right about the 2 or the 4, it's when it starts to focus hunt big time. And put my hand back down. Let me see where it starts to do it at. Oh. So you can see it's like right here is where it switches cameras. Boom. Switch cameras. And then as I get to about 2x zoom, it starts to focus hunt just a little bit. Not too bad. It's actually at 3.7. But if you get up to the 4x, wait, this is 9x. Two times. Wait, let me go right there. Right, this is 2.0. It'll just start focus hunting like crazy. If you want to get a zoomed in object or something, it's gonna struggle big time. But yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. You gonna hop or what? Focus on. This is the 4x. Right here. 4. Where I get? Right there. 4x zoom right there. It's a beautiful shot when it's zoomed in like that, but it just doesn't want to stay focused at all. There we go. Let's see how long it'll take. Anyways, drop a comment. We out.